Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.10, Problem 20. This is Section 2.10, Problem 20. It says simplify, and we have 3.5 to the second power, or some people might say 3.5 squared. Second power and squared are interchangeable terms. So what that means is we have to multiply 3.5 times 3.5. So second power means there's two of them multiplied together. Now, in order to multiply fractions, I can't really leave it in the form of a mixed number like 3.5. I have to make it an improper fraction, so it has only a numerator and a denominator. And as an improper fraction, the numerator will be larger than the denominator, but that's okay. So, going from the denominator to the number in front, we will multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. Take that result and we will add. 6, the result of 6 plus 1 more is 7. So 3.5 is the same as 7/2. And if this 3.5 changed to a 7/2, the other 3.5 surely will also turn into a 7/2 also. Now, we can multiply. We have fractions with only numerators and denominators, no number in front. So multiply numerator times numerator, we might say top times top. 7 times 7 is 49. Then multiply denominator times denominator. 2 times 2 is 4. So the answer is 49 over 4. Now, some math teachers are fine with leaving your answer as an improper fraction, a fraction where the numerator is larger than the denominator. Other math teachers prefer that when this happens, when you have an improper fraction, that you put it back in the form of a mixed number, a number with a fraction. So if that's what your teacher would like you to do, what you should do is divide the denominator of 4 into the numerator 49. 4 will go into 4 once. 1 times 4 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Bring down the next digit, which is 9. 4 goes into 9 twice. 2 times 4 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. So our remainder is 1. So the 12 is my number in front. The remainder of 1 is the numerator. The number in front of the division, which was the denominator, remains the denominator. So the answer is 12 and 1/4. Or you might say 12 and 1/4. So 3.5 to the second power is 12 and 1/4.